Hi, everyone. Welcome to Glow English Hub. Please like and subscribe. Welcome back to Glow English Hub. This channel is for people who want to improve their English through real conversations. Today, we're talking about diet and daily eating habits.
Yes, it's a topic we all deal with. So, how has your diet been recently?
To be honest, I've been trying to eat healthier. Last year, I was eating a lot of fast food because of work. It was quick and easy, but I didn't feel great.
I can relate to that. When work gets busy, it's hard to focus on healthy meals. What changes did you make?
I started cooking more at home. At first, it was difficult, but now I actually enjoy it. I also cut down on sugar and processed food.
That sounds like a big improvement. Did you notice any changes?
Yes, definitely. I have more energy now and I sleep better. Before, I often felt tired during the day.
That's interesting. I've been thinking about improving my diet too, but I always end up going back to my old habits.
Yeah, it's not easy. Changing your diet takes time. You can't just quit everything at once.
True. I tried a strict diet once, but it didn't last long. I felt like I was missing out on my favorite foods.
Exactly. I think balance is important. You don't have to give up everything. You just need to eat healthy most of the time.
That makes sense. What do you usually eat in a typical day?
For breakfast, I usually have oatmeal or eggs. For lunch, something simple like rice and vegetables. And for dinner, I try to keep it light.
That sounds quite balanced. Do you ever eat out?
Yes, sometimes. I don't want to cut out all the fun, but I try to choose healthier options when I do.
I think that's where I struggle. When I eat out, I tend to go all out and order a lot of unhealthy food.
I used to do that too. But now I try to be more mindful. I ask myself if I really need it.
That's a good approach. Do you follow any specific diet plan?
Not really. I prefer a flexible approach. Strict plans don't work for me.
I agree. If it's too strict, it's hard to stick to it. I think I need to make small changes first.
Yes, small steps are better. Maybe start by adding more vegetables or drinking more water.
That sounds doable. I also think I should prepare meals in advance. That might help me avoid fast food.
Meal prep is a great idea. It saves time and helps you stay on track.
I'll try that this week. Hopefully, I can build a healthier routine.
You will. Just take it one step at a time.
Thanks. This conversation really helped me think about my habits.
Glad to hear that. Eating well is not about being perfect, it's about making better choices.
Absolutely. All right, I think that's a good place to wrap up.
Yes, thanks for joining us on Glow English Hub. Keep practicing your English and take care of your health too.
See you next time.
Before we go, let's quickly go over a few expressions we used.
Sure.
Cut down on means to reduce something, like sugar or junk food.
Go all out means to do something with a lot of energy or without limits.
And stick to it means to continue doing something, even when it's difficult.
Great. Try to use these in your daily conversations.
See you next time.